Now let's see how gold against US dollar has behaved this week. We can see that the price in the previous week has stopped around this one here, just a minute, at this price level, and then the price has formed these 5 candles where 4 of them were bearish one. So we can see that the price, after the price tried to push even more higher, when the price found this great support, we can see that on a Monday the price has broke below that with this bearish candle and confirmed this breakout with this second bearish candle after the price continued to move up to the next support, which is a demand zone around 1942. We can see that the price has stopped here, bouncing back up. Then price formed this small bullish candle, but after that on the Friday the price has continued to move even more down, where the price has also gone below this start of this demand zone, the lower side of this demand zone, and it has touched this price level, which is 1932. On the weekly time frame, we can see after the price has made a breakout to the bull, to the upper side, we can see it here. Then the next one was here, but then the price has confirmed this breakout as a valid one, but this week has cancelled this breakout again and then returned back down. I was expecting that the price will continue to move up this week because of this validation of the breakout, but the market didn't follow the strategy I am using this time and then reversed back down inside this range where the price was held for several weeks. And currently the price has reached this area here and also this area here, which is as support levels on the weekly time frame. Now let's see how this looks on the monthly. After the month has ended as a bullish engulfing candle, you can see it here. The price did not break to the up above this one, great resistance area. Then the price is now returning back down. So based on the monthly analysis, very important level for the month, because we have 2 more weeks, 2+ weeks until this month ends. Very important level for the monthly time frame is this one here. We can see it here, it is 1918, very important level on the monthly time frame, and also the first one with current prices is this one here, 1940. So currently this is the price where the price has stopped, and also the next one is 1918. These are the levels, very important to hold the price in order to prevent the price from dropping even more down. So 1918 is very important, and currently 1940. For the price, in order to continue to move up, it is very important that the price stays above this one area here, which is 1965 on the monthly time frame. So we can see that a very important level, also this one here, is 1990 in order to continue to the higher price level. These are the levels that the price needs to hold or break in order to continue in that direction. Now let's go to the weekly time frame and see much more clearly these levels here. So 1918 is this one here, and we can see it is a very important level around this. We can see it in order to prevent the price from falling even more down, which is also then here. So 1918 on the monthly time frame, but we can see that the price is also around this one, 1918, and also 1913. 1913 is very important for the price on the weekly time frame. But before that, the price needs to hold around this one here, where it currently is 1940, which is also visible on the monthly time frame. So currently, as it looks, the price has closed 1938 below that, which means on the weekly time frame there is a possibility, and I'm expecting that the price will drop even more down, going to this one, 1932, which the price has touched this week, and below that it is the next one is this here, 1924, and below that is 1918. If the price continues to fall down, this is the price that the price needs to hold in order to prevent the price from falling down, and also this will be a confluence of support because we have this downtrend trend line which will now act as a support. In order to continue the price on the upper side, the price needs to go above this one here, 1960, because it's very important level for the bulls. You can see it here in the past that the price needed to break above in order to continue to move up. And also when the price has broke this one level here, we can see that the price has returned back down up to here to this level and then continues to move up. Now let's go and see on the daily time frame, which is much more clear to see what are the very important levels. Now Let's see, and we can see that the price has dropped down, and a very important level has been broken. In the past, this price level was here, 1940. This is the same level I have mentioned on the monthly and also weekly time frame. Now we can see that it has been broken on the daily time frame, which needs to be validated, this breakout. So I'm expecting on the Monday that the price needs to return a little bit back up and then touch this area here and then return back down to validate this breakout, which means there is a chance that the price will continue to fall down to around this price level, which is 1916. So it's very close to 1918 I have mentioned on the previous two time frames. And also this will be a confluence of support around this one where the price could bounce. But also on the daily time frame, if the price reaches this area, there is a possibility that the price reaches this also area or with a wick. This is visible here where the price has touched in the past this price level. From there the price could bounce back up, but then we will need to see how this looks on the weekly and also daily time frame when the price goes here. So this is the current price level where I'm expecting the price will drop down in value the next week. If the price returns back up, this breakout will not be validated. This means that the price will bounce between these two price levels. So the next one where the price needs to go above is 1958, which is around 1960 I have seen on the higher time frame. And then if the price goes above this one, this means the price will target the next one, which is 1980, which is visible also here when the price has made a breakout to the upside. So this is how I'm looking for the next week on the gold against US dollar, and that means I need to see validation of this breakout to the downside, or canceling this breakout and the price returning inside this range area where we have seen the price in the past going sideways. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.